Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to use Boolean operations and I'll try to explain them to you so you can understand and use them more efficiently. Let's quickly break down the three main Boolean operations in FreeCad. Fuse, also called union, merges two solids into one. If two parts touch or overlap, they become a single object. No gaps, just one clean shape. Cut, also known as difference, subtracts one shape from another. It removes volume from the first object using the shape of the second one, like carving it out. Common, or intersection, keeps only the part where the two solids overlap. Everything outside the shared volume is trimmed away. Now let's use the Boolean. So create body. Let's use the additive box. Click OK. Now we need a second body. We'll do this. We'll do a sphere, radius 3 millimeters. Click on the sphere, right click in the 3D view, select transform, move it in the middle. And now, if you want to subtract the sphere from the box, you have to click on the body where the box is at and right click active body. Then click Boolean operation, add a body, click on the sphere. Now, if you want to cut, you'll see it will cut, common, or fuse together. We'll choose cut, OK, and that's how you use the Boolean operation.